Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, wonderful people, to the single mompreneur journey. It's your girl, Gotta Love Danny here, where we are improving ourselves, enjoying our lives, and balancing it all. So today's video is gonna be a chit chat. Yes, a chit chat. This is actually my first time doing this, so we're gonna see how it goes. I have something that I would like to speak on, and it's not gonna be a long video. It's just something that I had on my chest, so I had to get it out. I just wanted to hear or see what you guys think, or if you guys experience or can relate. I definitely am interested to hear your thoughts on this. Okay, so let's get into it. And first, let me say happy Memorial Day weekend, because it is Memorial Day weekend, and the video will definitely be posted after Memorial Day weekend. So I wish you guys a happy and safe Memorial Day. And yeah, so let's get into it. So this chit chat is going to be on breakups, and just speaking in a sense of after a breakup, and if you guys resided in the same home. And so, a lot of people after a breakup, of course, everyone is different how they handle themselves after a breakup. But for the most part, I would say, let me just speak for myself. My whole objective after a breakup was basically, healing, reflecting, and just improving overall, trying to, of course, better myself. And there's children involved, so for my children as well, and just trying to kind of sort everything out and to get everything back on track, and just kind of start anew and start fresh, and so I did make a lot of changes, just on the physical, mental, spiritual aspect, and just different routines. I started my whole self-care journey, and just improving overall, enjoying myself more, enjoying my life more, exploring more, and of course I have just a lot of things in the works to do, of course, with myself and my children, but in that sense, when you're going through that, and say for instance you guys have resided in the same home, and a lot of people, that does happen. So what most tend to do, in which those are the quickest, easiest things that you can do, which is cleaning the home, and maybe changing furniture around, just to try to change it up a little bit. And so, of course, I did that. And I also took it a little step further to where I, got rid of some things, purchased new furniture items, purchased a good amount of new items. I even went as far as, purchasing a new bed, a tired new mattress. As you can see, I'm filming actually in my room, in the bed that you see behind me. This is actually new, so this was not here during the time of while I was in a relationship, so that's new. But even still, with all that, you still have those, of course, memories. They're gonna be there, just depending, they could be vague, but they're still, kind of gonna be there or whatever. But even still with that, it's just when you're still in the same environment, and then the same home. So it's just still like that constant reminder, shall I say, of not actually officially making it like fresh and a new start, because there's just that hold back, because it's like you're still actually in the same spot. So it's like you no longer fit there. When you start doing that work on yourself, then it's like, okay, I no longer fit in this environment and I just need a complete change, because it's just not official to me. You know, like the feeling, it's just not there. It's just not where I need to be any longer, you know. So I just need a complete change. And so that's just kind of where I'm at. And it could actually, for some people, it just depends, you know, it could actually have that hold back on you, you know, with certain things, where you feel like you kind of can't completely move forward, and just simple stuff, not necessarily in life, but it could affect, you know, just depending on you. It could definitely affect that, but just that whole fresh start. And so now I'm just kind of at that point to where I'm like, okay, I've been doing all this, and so now I just need that complete, like I need that official stamp to just be like in a new environment, in a new place. It's just time for a completely fresh and new start. And so as of the new start of the month, the summer month, I am, or we are, myself and my son, we are moving to a new place. So I'm definitely excited about that. This is actually too a part of the reason why I know I hadn't been posting this stuff, you guys, but it's just been a lot going on. And so I just thought I had to share this with you guys. I actually wanted to share this with you guys because I am excited, and it is going to be finally official, a fresh and a new start for us. And yeah, I got, you know, I'm very optimistic, and definitely looking forward to it. And I plan on recording and taking you guys along with me on the new experience, and, you know, just kind of the whole thing of decorating and just other little things that planned for this summer. So yeah, that's kind of it for this. But let me know let me know what you guys think, and if you guys, you know, have experienced, or what you guys experience on this after a breakup. And thank you guys so much for any feedback. You're subscribing to the channel, sharing, liking. All that is definitely greatly appreciated. Hopefully you guys are definitely following me I'm on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook as well. Very active on those. So yeah, you guys can keep up with me there too. And that's the end, guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend again, and enjoy. And thank you guys so much, and I'm out.